the year name is just equals to, and then we write text, right click your tab, and then we want to be getting from this date, and then we put comma, we open our quote because our quotes is text, so we put year is y 1234. We close the quotations and we click OK. So we have that year name. Again, with the name of the day, we put another text, again another text, and then we click our tab. We want to get it from this date, and we put comma. We open our quotations again and we put 1234. D stands for day. We click tab, OK, and then we come to the month equals to, and then we write text again. We click tab, and then we want to get it from this date, comma. We open our quote and we put 1234. M stands for month, and we click OK. That is it. And then we come here, double click, it goes down. We fill it down, double click, we fill it down, and then we double click. You see? So these are the names of the different months that we have taken from this date.